When it comes to AI image generation, you need prompts, but unfortunately, most of us try to complicate the prompts. So we end up getting things that we actually don't want, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you my workspace. I'm going to share with you some of the things that I've been able to do by using just simple prompts. Okay, so this whole video is just about using simple prompts to get results that are like promising, that are very, very interesting when it comes to AI text to image generation, right? So this is just a typical prompts that I use: an African mother bathing her child in a rural area. And let's see what the image is going to look like. Good. It's pretty cool, right? It's just a simple prompt, no much complicated stuff added. It's just a simple prompt that I use, right? And I'm going to do this. I'm using Meta AI on WhatsApp to do this one currently. And I'm going to use Microsoft Copilot to also do the same thing, right? I'm going to just copy some prompts over here and paste it over there, and let's see how it will look, right? So this is also another prompt that I use about a king, all right? A king in an urban area, and this is what I've been able to get. You will see I've not added 1,000 words. I've not added 100 words. No, something very, very simple, right? So I want the AI to make a correction. So I was like, consider a typical African king. You see, so it's pretty much simple, right? It's pretty much simple. So what I want you to get out of this video is the fact that whichever image you want to generate, just think of it. However it comes to your mind, try and put it down in just, let's say, 4 words, and you are good to go, right? Just 4 words and you are good to go. It shouldn't be something that should actually take a lot of effort or time from you, and at the end of the day you not get the exact result that you even want. Okay, so yeah, for this one I've generated an image which I was like, I need a image of kids in a rural area playing, right? But I'll tell you something about this generation right now. Okay, so you can see I'm typing remove all forms of disability, because one of the keys in a image generated was not having leg. So yeah, I asked the AI to remove all disability in it, but there was a problem, right? There was a problem. The AI still gave me some unrealistic, look at how come this person's head has turned the other way, and this is the disability I was kind of talking about earlier, right? So yeah, that's something I think is not going to work. So quickly I copied the text and we are going to Copilot now. Microsoft Copilot, and let's see what we are going to get over there as well. Let's see if the results will be better than the one we've gotten from WhatsApp AI or not. Okay, so let's wait for it to generate and we have a look at exactly what we are going to get. All right, so these are the samples of images generated by Microsoft Copilot. Let's have a good look at them. All right, this is the first one, and when you scroll through, you're going to have this one too. I think there are 4 in number, so when you scroll through, you're going to have this one too, and the remaining one, let's see. Good, and they are pretty cool, right? And honestly, you could say for yourself that I wasn't using any long form of prompts, just a simple text prompt that I'm using, few words that I just put together, and that's it. So the next one I'm doing is an African father running after his son who is running away with a fowl in his hand. Yeah, for this particular one, I know the prompt wasn't into detail that much, right? The meaning of it, because there are 2 male in this video, in this prompt, right? So he's so the AI got, I don't know, the understanding. It didn't get the understanding so well, because it kind of used the man who is running after the child also is holding a fowl, and the child is also running after a fowl. Meanwhile, I don't want that actually, right? But yeah, that's just, by the way, the main purpose of this video is what I'm trying to tell you, that you need to use just simple prompts. Okay, nothing should prevent you from generating your AI images, right? Nothing should prevent you. Prompts shouldn't be the problem. Don't be like, oh, I don't know the prompt to use. No, please, whichever prompts that you kind of think about, just put it into writing. The AI will give you something that will actually help you, right? So anyway, let's come back here and do the same thing that we did in Copilot, an African father running after his kid who is holding fast. So yeah, so this is what the WhatsApp Meta AI has been able to give me using the same or similar prompt that I use in Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so I'm ready to give another like series of simple prompts. Okay, an NBA player throwing 3 shots. Honestly, I don't know much about NBA. I don't know much about NBA. So yeah, I don't know if it's called a 3-point shot or 3 shots. I don't know exactly how it's called, right? So anyway, if you have idea about that, you can let me know in the comment the right name for that. The one that they'll throw from a long distance and you'll be like, oh, you've taken 3 points and stuff like that. I don't know the exact name of that one. So yeah, if you know, just let me know in the comment section. I'm also learning, right? Okay, so yeah, the image I got, I kind of don't like it. So I was like, I'm in a long distance throw because I actually want that throw from a far place. Yeah, but the AI couldn't give me anything that much. This one, as if the person is sleeping in the air to is it dang? Hey, if you're a b-ball player or you have fair knowledge about basketball, let me know all this stuff in the comment section. Is it dang or whatever? I don't know. Just let me know in the comment section. I want to learn that from you as well, right? So anyway, let's continue. Here I just asked a Nigerian man wearing a white, a white shirt, but I made a mistake and I removed. I couldn't add a shirt over there, right? I couldn't add a shirt over there, but yeah, I think I have to correct that in the next prompt that I may, kind of add. If I'm supposed to add another prompt again, I'm just going to, correct that. And of course, this image generated is not looking good at all. All right, it's not looking good at all. That's from WhatsApp actually. It's not looking good at all. Maybe because I didn't specify the exact location that I want the AI images to be placed. Okay, that's how come it was giving like that. And even look at it, the shirt the person is wearing. That shirt, it doesn't have to get that particular text at that area. That means I have to specify the area. I could have said the top right side or the top left side, whatever I want it to be. I have to put it there, right? So you can see I'm trying to correct some of the things. I was asking the AI to show the full face of the person, but yet still the AI couldn't show the full face of the person. It just shows some parts of the person, right? So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and ask it to make some few adjustments and let's see. All right, so I'm trying to make some correction over here. I'm just trying to an African man wearing white, this place too. I didn't add the shirt, right? So I think I have to work on that actually. Okay, it escaped me actually. Yeah, so I'm going to work on that right away. Let's see. Alright, so here I'm just asking an African man wearing a white round neck with AI images boldly written. Yeah. So an African man wearing white round neck with AI, images boldly printed on the chest side of the shirt. So let's see what, the AI will be able to generate for us. Okay, so this it's not looking perfect, right? It's not bad, but it's not looking perfect. I don't like it that much either. So yeah, let's see what we can get after changing some things in a prompt. So I'm asking it to give me the color of green. Yeah, that's basically what I want. And yeah, that's it. And I hope you do find this video helpful. And if you do, kindly go ahead and hit the like button on the video and subscribe for more videos on this YouTube channel. My name is 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗕𝗘, and I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.